Welcome back to the Mobile Fun YouTube channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest accessories for your devices. Today, we're taking a look at Forever Cut&Fix lightning cable. Before we dive in, links to this product and a lot more are in the description below. So, have you ever had a cable stop charging your phone, or had to prop up your phone in weird position to get it to charge? Well, that's what this product aims to stop. This cable is genius. If for some reason your cable stopped charging as it should, you can cut the cable, then simply remove the end and attach it to the rest of the cable. It's a very clever idea, as when a cable normally gives up, it's because only one small part is broken. So rather than throwing the whole cable away, you can just cut out the part affected. Right, let's see how it works in practice. First, let's simulate the cable breaking. Now, you need to disconnect, in our case, the lightning connector. So you flick this little button to the side, then gently pull the cable end and the lightning end away from each other. Now the cable is free. Place the new freshly cut end into the connector. Close it back up by pushing the ends towards each other, like so. Then simply flick the button back over the other way and it's secured. It's really that simple. I think this idea is great, and in theory it should stop electronic waste and allow you to use just one cable for longer. The only downside I can see is that it does make the ends of the cable fairly large, but I suppose they have to be for the mechanism. I hope this helps you decide if you should pick up one of these cables. Please subscribe for more videos from Mobile Fun. Share with anyone you know that destroys cables all the time. Comment below your thoughts on this cable. And finally, to buy this or any other phone accessories, check out the links in the description.